Sharks in space? It sounds like something from a science fiction film. Sharks, with their razor-sharp teeth and sleek bodies, are creatures of the ocean depths. Space, on the other hand, is a vast and airless vacuum. What could these two completely different realms possibly have in common? In 1985, a team of scientists set out to answer that question. They launched a daring mission to send sharks into space aboard the space shuttle Endeavour. The goal was to study how these fascinating creatures would adapt to a weightless environment. The experiment, as unusual as it sounds, held the promise of unlocking secrets about both sharks and the challenges of space travel. It was a journey into the great unknown, pushing the boundaries of marine biology and space exploration. The scientists chose sharks for this mission for several reasons. Sharks are incredibly adaptable creatures. They have survived on Earth for millions of years, weathering dramatic changes in climate and ocean conditions. Their physiology, particularly their cartilaginous skeletons and unique buoyancy control, made them ideal candidates for studying the effects of weightlessness. Before sending the sharks into space, the scientists had to make sure they would survive the journey. They designed a special tank that would mimic the shark's natural habitat as closely as possible. The tank was filled with seawater, and the sharks were carefully monitored for any signs of stress. A team of veterinarians and marine biologists worked around the clock to ensure the well-being of their sharky astronauts. Food, water quality, and even the sharks' behavior were meticulously tracked and adjusted. Every detail, from the tank's lighting to the water's temperature, was fine-tuned to create a home away from home. The launch of Endeavour was a moment of immense excitement and anticipation. The sharks, oblivious to the controlled chaos surrounding them, continued their graceful movements within their high-tech aquarium. Their journey into space was surprisingly smooth. They shared the spacecraft with a crew of astronauts, all united in the pursuit of scientific discovery. Once in orbit, the real experiment began. Free from the constraints of gravity, the sharks exhibited unusual swimming patterns. They seemed disoriented at first, but they quickly adapted to their weightless environment. The astronauts on board the Endeavour had the unique experience of observing the sharks up close. They witnessed firsthand the animals' behavior in microgravity, carefully recording their observations and tending to their needs. This close interaction between human and marine life in the heart of space was a testament to the mission's ambition. After a successful mission, the space shuttle Endeavour returned to Earth, bringing the sharks back safely. The data collected during the mission provided scientists with invaluable insights. They learned that sharks can adapt to weightlessness, albeit with some initial disorientation. This groundbreaking research has had a lasting impact on both marine biology and space exploration. It showed that even the most seemingly alien environments could be studied up close, and that life, even in its most ancient forms, possesses a remarkable ability to adapt. The shark's journey aboard the space shuttle Endeavour served as a powerful reminder of the wonders of the natural world and the limitless possibilities of scientific exploration. It ignited our imaginations and inspired future generations to continue pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible.